Good evening to all of you. So in this particular presentation, I am going to release the trend report for Nifty and Bank Nifty future for the coming week. That is from 17th to 21st June. So those who are the regular visitor of our website smartfinancing.com, so they will be knowing that every week we publish this report 2 days before the trade starts for the week, like we are releasing today on Friday, and the trade starts from the Monday. So this report you can download from the by visiting the download link of our website. So here weekly trend report section, if you go, you can download all reports here, but provided to download it you need to register. So if you are already registered, just log in and try to download it. If you have not registered, just register yourself and then try to download. So this report, when we publish, it is not only the report we publish, we also give a follow-up. So each time we publish this report, we also give it in the YouTube. One video also we release it. So like last week's report also, we have released this video. And post that, we used to give some follow-ups, how in the day one it has worked, how in day two it has worked. So in these two videos I have given that it is day one how it has performed, and the day two also I have also released one video how it has performed in the day two. So this is being witnessed by hundreds of people and they used to see that things. So now I am going to release for the coming week. So I'll request all of you, please view this video till the end so that you can able to understand this concept. So here, before going to that coming week analysis, past week what has happened? This is the study we have given. What has happened? Little bit have some discussion on that. So I am just taking the highest point the Nifty future has moved last week. So last week starts from 10th and ends today. So if you just go for this highest point of the day, so 10th June, you made a high of 11,994. This is also one of my calculations, the first target. 11th June, it has made a high of 12,023. So this is also one of my calculation. So just lagged by some 15-20 paisa. On 12th June, the highest point of the Nifty future was 11,966. 966 I can say. So here I just lagged by 74 to 66, 7 to 8 points I lagged. Then it has gone to the 13th June when it has made a high of 1950. This is also one of my calculation, lagged by some 4 points. Today it has made 916. 916, this doesn't fall in any of my calculation. This is the day's high point. And today we have closed at 11,829. So this is the highest point of the day. So let me go for the closing. So what are the prices we have closed on that day and whether that has any relationship with our calculations. So that is also is very important. A closing price. So closing price, what has happened? So here 928, 13th it is closing. 928.3. So this is also one of my calculation point. 916, this is not my calculation point. 976.7. So this is also one of my calculation point here. 933, this is very close near to the 929. This too also one of the calculation point. So today also 828 it has come. 828, that is the last traded price. So here too also 829. So this too also one of the calculation point, very close near values, 822. So 5 to 6 point. So closing basis, you have seen out of 5 working days, 3 working days on closing basis, the calculation what we have given and where the market has closed, it has just directly in line. You have seen in the days high basis, it has 4 different days. I can repeat the 4 different days. So 2 days it was having a close connections. One day it deviated by a couple of points, and another day it was also 953 to 954. That is just 3 to 4 point deviation. So this is what the last week performance is there. So Do not go by the last week performance. Just have a look on the coming week. So if you think that, okay, last week I have not observed, I have not traded, so this is the calculation we have given for the coming week. So here I have just given a detailed description how this calculation is being done. So today's last traded price multiplied with the real-time volatility we have estimated through our software. So this is the real-time volatility, not taken any historic things. So coming week, what will be the probable volatility? We have algorithmically calculated it through our software, and this is the result you have got. So this volatility is going to, we are conveying that this volatility is going to be in the coming week from the Monday to Friday. So if this is the volatility, then what will be the price range? So 157 point of price range, and we are using the Fibonacci ratios. So if, and today we are, last traded is 11,829. So using the Fibonacci with this point 157 points of price range, so these are the Fibonacci retracement zones. So we are conveying that by using the one standard deviation, we have just derived the price range. We are conveying that this price range, once we have applied with the Fibonacci, so these are the resistance points and these are the support points. So this is what we are conveying. So once it is a resistance point, it can be reflected in the day's high basis. Once these are the support points, that can be reflected in the day's low basis and closing basis. So this resistance and supports can be reflected in terms of your day's closing basis, day's high basis, or day's low basis, valid from 17th to 21st June. So this is what the calculation happened. Then how to work on that? Then the next process comes, how I can utilize these things in my trade benefit. So in this regard, I have just given my style of trading. Your style of trading may be different. Once these readings are in front of you, you can choose the style of your trading, how you are going to utilize. If you have a specific style, then do not copy my style. So my style of trading will be entirely different. What I'm conveying here, I'm just following the Fibonacci. I'm following these values, what I have calculated. So Monday or some point of the day and the next week or the coming week, which is starting from 17th, if I found that Nifty future crosses 11,866, I'll buy it along with one 11,850 put option of 20th June expiry. I will get it in the 50 rupees to 60 rupees range, and I'll be keeping my stop loss as the Fibonacci downtrend confirmation point. As for Fibonacci, because I am following the Fibonacci, so the downtrend will be confirmed if Nifty fall to 11,869 post my entry. If I enter the trade and it is falling, the trade is going against me, then I will try to book the loss in the future if the Nifty comes down to 11,769. And by this process, I'll be losing 100 and some near to 100 points. I'll be 865 to 768. So 100 point, if I less it, it comes to 765. So 94 to 95 points I'll be losing in the future. So I have hedged my position. So that time I will be just recovering 40 to 50 rupees from my hedged trade. So I will be accepting a 45 points of loss if my trade goes against me after I made a buy entry. I made a buy entry. So here, this is my style of trading. So here, if I buy here, I am hedging it. If it hits the stop loss, I will come out of that, accept the loss in the future. And same time, I'll be making some money in the hedging component of the option, then I will be coming out. If I achieve the success. So if I achieve the first target, 11,926, I'll trail my stop loss to 11,889 and hold the trade. If I achieve the second target, 11,953, 52, 51.86, rounded to 11,952, I'll trail my stop loss to 11,907 and hold the trade. If I achieve the third target, I'll again trail my stop loss to the second target and hold the trade. Or if I am convinced that yes, in the first target or second target I am making a good profit, I'll try to quit the positions. I'll book the profit in future. I'll book the loss in the options what I have bought for hedging, and I'll come out of the trade. Same process I am going to follow for the downtrend. If any point during the week, coming week, on Monday or on Tuesday, if I am getting a downtrend breakout, preferably on the Monday. Monday, if it doesn't give me the breakout, I'll wait for the Tuesday. So Tuesday, if it gives me a breakout, I'll enter. Or if Tuesday it doesn't give me a breakout, neither it goes above 11,866, nor it fall below 11,792, then I'll wait for the Wednesday. So this is what I am waiting. If I get a breakout, I am going to enter the trade. So my breakout points for uptrend is 11,866. My breakout point for the downtrend is 11,792. Whenever it comes, I'll be entering the trade in that direction along with the proper hedging. So this is how I'll be using this Nifty trend reports. Similar way, I have given for the Bank Nifty, I have given a detailed descriptions of the same calculations. However, Bank Nifty base is very high, 30,000. So instead of making an entry at 0.236 level, I'll be making an entry at 0.382 level here. So this is what a small deviation I'll make in the Bank Nifty because its base is very high. So I'll be waiting for the 0.382 crossover. So why this 0.382 and why it is 0.236? As per Fibonacci principle, the 0.236 is the trend set point. It sets the trend, and above 0.382 it confirms the trend. So here in the resistance side, if the price able to break this 0.382 resistance, then it has all probability to touch 0.618, 0.786, 0.888 and all. So this is the first part of this report. Second part of the report is very, very interesting. So here we are giving a trend reversal date for the 7 counters: Reliance, HDFC, Sun Pharma, TCS, Tata Steel, Nifty and Bank Nifty. We are telling, as per the Gans method, WT Gans method, we are telling these are the days the stock will experience trend reversal in that month. So what is the meaning of trend reversal? So this trend reversal date says that on that particular day, you will get a opposite reaction in the price behavior. So to make it very simple, opposite reaction in the price behavior. Suppose if I am saying that the trend reversal of Nifty is on the 19th June. So this is the 19th June. 17th we have a working day, 18th also is a working day. So on 18th, if it has a positive trend closing, I am repeating the term positive trend closing. So not closing, trend closing. On 18th, if it is a positive trend closing, then on 19th, it will have a negative opening or negative open or negative close. Negative close. This is what the meaning of the trend reversal is. So on 18th, if it is a negative trend closing, then 19th it will have a opposite, but it will remain only for 19th. It won't continue post 19, 20, 21st, it won't continue. On that particular day, you will get the trend reversal. So what is a positive trend closing and what is a negative trend closing? So here I have given some trend calculation. So on 18th, if it closes above 11,888, then it is known as a positive trend closing. Or if it is closing below 11,769, it is known as a negative trend closing as per the weekly analysis. However, if it closes in between this 866 to 11,792, then it has neither given you positive trend closing nor given you the negative trend closing. It is a range bound closing. So once that kind of range action is there, so you have to see that what has happened on 17th, because that day it is neutral. On 18th, if it is closing between these values 11,866 to 11,792, it is a neutral day. It is not neither a positive trend closing nor a negative trend closing. It is a neutral day. So you need to see on 17th what happened. If 17th is a positive trend closing or a negative trend closing, you can accept the 17th closing as a parameter for 18th, because 18th is neutral. 18th has no decision. 18th has not given you any concrete breakout. So 17th what has given, that is just continued on 18th. You have to assume in that order. So how you can make use of this? Like Nifty, you have a 19th is a trend reversal day. So 18th you have 17th market has started. 17th you got a uptrend breakout. All these things I am just telling based on specific assumptions. Say 17th you got a positive trend breaking above 11,866. You entered a trade. You achieved only 11,907. So you waited. You have not got the first target. 18th you are achieving 11,952. So you are seeing that 19th I have a trend reversal day. So 18th you are getting that on higher basis, days high basis or days closing basis. You are experiencing that okay, I have come to 11,952, and 19th is a trend reversal day. So here you should book the profit and come out because it is a trend reversal day. Tomorrow you may not get a chance to book the profit. Your profit may be eradicated because of that trend reversal day. You must come out of the trade, or you can take a counter trade also. You can take a counter trade also. It is a trend reversal day. So I have booked the profit in my first trade. Now I will sell the Nifty along with a hedging with 11,950 call option. So if the trend reversal date of 19th is going to be get impacted, then I will also get the success on this. Not necessarily trend has changed. Only on 19th the trend reversal happened, say till 865. You still make a good profit in the downtrend also, in the down move also, or the trend reversal date also. So trend reversal date means it is a day if some profit booking may happen. It is a day some short covering may happen. So some distribution or accumulations can happen. The price behavior of the previous day is going to change on that day. That is the trend reversal day. So here this is the we have given for 7 counters, and test it whether on these days, whatever the days we have given for the June, whether it has worked or not, and the remaining days whatever is going to fall down, whether it is going to work on those days or not. Like 19th Nifty you have, 26th Nifty you have, Bank Nifty 26th you have, 30th you have. So these are the things is there. So 15th also you had a trend reversal day, which is a holiday. So 14th today Bank Nifty has corrected negative. So that itself has worked for you. So this is how the trend reversal date can be put into action. So we have fantastic softwares for that. Suppose if you want to just see for the ICICI Bank what is the trend reversal date. So I just want to load the data, and this will give me the trend reversal date for the ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank. So once I just load the data here, GAN's time analysis tool, so it gives me the trend reversal date is falling on 27th here, 18th and 13th also is there. Suppose if I am going for Axis Bank, so Axis Bank, so what is the trend reversal date if I want to calculate? So this too also will give me the trend reversal date for the Axis Bank for the month of June. So here 11th, 17th and 13th, 30 April, and high angle also we are getting some 1121, and summary also will get all the data is here. So here major trend reversal, we are saying these are the major trend reversal, and these are the minor trend reversal also is there. So this is a minor trend reversal. So that day some consolidation will happen, small correction happens, small pullback happens. So these are the minor trend reversal dates. So all these calculations happen through the GAN's method. So this is the software we have, and we took the software in which the Nifty levels are being created, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Same way, if I just want to create the weekly trend report for the ICICI Bank, so I'll just go for this. I'll go for the positional. I'll just hit for the 7 days. So I'll calculate. So this is the weekly trend report for the ICICI Bank. It says that if it goes above 421.5, it has all probability to hit 437 growth cluster 427. Here it will find the maximum resistance. If it fall below 416, it can fall down to 400 level also. 410 will be the major support it can find. So this is for the ICICI Bank. If this cycle completes, then it will go for a second cycle, third cycle like this. So this is what the software gives. And this software also gives you the intraday analysis. Intraday analysis, the concept what we are propagating or conveying you, the same concept is being programmed here. Nifty and Bank Nifty, you are experiencing the same thing, it is being programmed here. You can trade with the option, weekly options, monthly options, equities, stock future, commodities. It has an option scanner, the best strike to trade. It has a stock scanner to best stock which has given the breakout as per one standard deviation. Many features it has. Along with this GANs also we are giving you a fantastic offer also. If you download this particular report, you will be getting that this software along with the GAN software, which is both can cost you near to 9,000, you are going to get it at 6,500 including tax. If you buy one SD software, you are getting GAN time analysis software free, and this valid for 21st June. Till that point it is valid. Keep a watch on this report, and if you are satisfied and convinced with this report, procure this software. It will be a great helping tool for your decision process. So keep watching this particular video. Share with your friends. If you like, you can give a like of this video. Keep watching these levels, what is being calculated today for the coming week. And if you think it is a good choice or good software for your trend forecast, you can procure this software. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.